Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and Dot. I am going to switch this up a little bit because I think Dot is going to go higher, Matic's going to go a little bit higher, but um, you know, I've been going long on Solano and stuff like that. I haven't really charted it, and I used to chart Cardano all the time. It was down, when it got low into the dollar area. But I told you guys I was going long there, and then I stopped charting it. And then I recently started charting it again for you guys because I know about what's going on with this month and everything. So I figured it was good to chart. And Matic, I was liking Matic because of Ethereum. They kind of go hand in hand, and I thought Ethereum was going to explode. And then Dot, of course, I think is going to go up a little bit higher. But right now, we're going to go Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and Dot in that order. Um, but yeah, guys, Bitcoin. We're going to start off with Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. Now, the daily. I talked about this area. Look, guys, almost was it to the dollar? What did we get? Did we get to the dollar yet? No, I said 51, but my line should have been at 51. 51,000, I said, and we got to 51.64. So yeah, I talked about maybe getting a little pullback here. But guys, look at this beautiful double bottom or W pattern forming on the daily. So I think maybe a pullback here, and then eventually we go higher. And I think we will get past this 52 as well, and maybe get up into the 55, 56 area. Those would be my next. When we get there, I'll start charting that. But those would be what I'd be looking for next. Um, but I think just a short term pullback because of this beautiful pattern that's developing on the daily chart. So yeah, it's looking beautiful, guys. Bitcoin's looking beautiful. I mean, look, guys, we almost look where it bounced. I mean, I don't know how I can keep doing this over and over, but what was I? I was like a couple dollars off here. We got the bounce. And then we literally I said 51 even though it was at 50. I had it at 5,999 or something, but you guys get the point. In this purple box we got our little rejection, and we got a little pullback. Now let's see how far this pulls back, because we don't want it pulling back underneath. We want to get a daily candle closing above my white line, which is currently at 49,670 area. I would like to see a daily close above that. If we get that, then I would look for more continuation to the upside for Bitcoin and for a lot of the coins as well. Guys, listen, Ethereum. We're going to go to Ethereum next. So Bitcoin's looking good. Ethereum, guys, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. We hit my bottom. Look at this, guys. We called every single move, and I mean, guys, to the dollar. I cannot make this up. In my videos, I said, hey, a bounce off of 251. We come up here, we touch 33.78 to the dollar. Then I said, hey, we're going back to 3,050 to the dollar. Okay. Then we came up, we hit our target here, got the bounce at the 33.70 area, and I believe I was a dollar off on that. I think it was 33.80. So I was a dollar off this bounce, I believe, or was I? Was I on the bounce? Let's look. Can I zoom in? Let's see. Come on, zoom in. This is when all my lines move, and then I get mad because they move. No, yeah, I was. Yeah, if I was right, yeah, I was a couple dollars off. Yeah, I remember. I was like $2 off this bounce. Which, guys, I mean, come on. Then we come up here, and I call the exact high at 38 or $3,838. That was to the dollar, exact high. So I had three. What we had one, two, three, four, five touches where I called to the exact dollar. I mean, almost in a row, guys. Listen, so when some people say technical analysis does not work, guys, technical analysis works. Okay, I just want to let you guys know. Study it, please. It works. People say, "Oh, this is game." It just irritates me because I talk to people sometimes, and they'll say, "Oh, well, what you're doing is gambling." Guys, this is not gambling. Is just throwing dice or hoping that you win get a dice, or you're hoping that you win a card game. This is not gambling if you know what you're doing. If you're doing the right technical analysis, you have a better chance. This is not gambling on a sport. It's not like, hey, I'm betting on this team to win, and then the team loses and you lose your money. It's basically a coin toss. Now, of course, with price action, anything can happen. But if you know technical analysis, you have an 80 or 70, well, some people do. Right now, since I started my YouTube channel, I'm doing over 90%. I have a 90% winning percentage, which is absolutely incredible, guys. And I can't make it up. All my videos, I've only had this channel for like 3 months now, I think now, going on 3 months almost. And I can't make any of this up because it's on YouTube. Like, it's my ledger. You can't say, well, he didn't say that. Oh, yeah, I can show you where I said it. I could do the videos and show you guys where I said these things, which I might make a clip. Also, guys, I predicted the Bitcoin move when I first started my video. I predicted this exact move like 2 months ago. Everything that was happened played out. I drew it out 2 months ago, and it played out exactly as I drew it out. And guys, for some of you guys, I know some of you guys have been following me on YouTube for a while. You guys can write in those comments. Write in the comments, because I'm getting some people, they tend to hate on me. And guys, I'm not making this up. This is real, true stuff. Okay, but we're gonna go back to the charts because, like I said, I thought, in yesterday's video, when everybody was getting nervous and we came down, we almost retested my box here. I didn't want to go below this box because then that would have looked bearish, but we didn't. We stayed above it, and I said, hey, look, guys, I'm looking to break above my purple box and go higher. Now, I was looking for 4,055 area, which we got to 4,030, and this is on a Coinbase chart. So I was a couple dollars off there. Don't kill me, guys, for this, okay? And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But I'm going to show you the reason that I was looking at that target, which was right here at this point of resistance, okay? And guys, I've been telling you, they've been doing this lately. They've been front running the trades. So if they know that this is a target, people are starting to take profits right before it because sometimes it'll hit it if it does hit a target and wick down so fast by the time you go to sell it, you're selling it for even more of a lot. Because guys, when it hits targets, things will drop quick because everybody's just waiting for that target. Then everybody sells. So a lot of people like to sell a little bit before the targets. That does happen sometimes. That's why you start taking, a little bit off the board before then. Okay, that's what I like to do, just to be on the safe side. Okay, now this is only if you're trading, guys. I do recommend, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I like Solana, Cardano. Um, I like some of these. I like long these. I like some of these in my long portfolio. I have them in my long portfolio. But then there's some coins where I just trade. Okay, and I do still trade these coins. I still trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I do trade all this when I see an opportunity. But I have a trading account, a long term account. Okay, I like putting all my money in crypto. That's what I like to do. Okay, I don't have much. I don't have. I just have money that I have to survive, and that's all I need. And most of my money's in crypto, guys, because I believe it's the future, and this is just what I love to do. So I go with those consequences, guys. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. It's just educational purposes only. But everything's looking good still. I think we're going to go higher. Let's see how this daily candle closes on Bitcoin. That'll be a true test. Um, so we'll see how that goes. Now let's move on to, let's see how much time I have. I got 20. Okay, I got 9 minutes. So let's move on to Cardano here. Cardano. Guys, I mean, I'm frustrated with Cardano. I know it's going to happen. I still have my target here that we hit. Let me get rid of this. I thought I deleted it. I cleaned up most of my charts for you guys, as you can see, because I started having lines everywhere. I said, oh man, I gotta clean this up. But yeah, this has been frustrating because we had our W, we hit our target, but then we have this ascending triangle, but then we came up and we came back down in it. And so I'm still looking for a daily candle close. Right now we are above there. So hopefully we get a daily candle close above the 297 area. And if we can do that, then maybe on Coinbase. I'm on Coinbase. I don't know. Prices could be different, whatever you're trading, but this is a Coinbase chart. But if we get a daily candle close above here and we retest this and we stay above it, and Bitcoin does the same thing on the daily double bottom, then yeah, this is when this move is going to happen. Which my target, I think I did a target the other day, right? Did I do that in my other video yesterday? We'll do it again just for the heck of it, right? Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Oh, I did do a target. I must have already did it. I was a little off on this one. But it should be like right around 340, 348 area, anywhere around that area, or 350 area. That would be my target coming out of this pattern here. So I still like Cardano. I think it's going to explode. It's a matter of time. I'm still holding on my Solano. I haven't done a video on that because I've been holding it just like Cardano. But I started, like I said, I started charting Cardano again because of this move that's coming up. And I do definitely need to look at Solana for you guys because it's getting absolutely crazy. Let's see, Matic is like we said, they front running our move by 1 cent. But I told you the day before, guys, take profits a little bit before our move. If you would have done that, you would have got. Listen, this would have been the difference. If you would have took it at 51, like I said, they were going to probably front run. It would have been. Did I get that right? Not even 1%, guys. Okay, maybe a half of a percent. Okay, but you always want to take that when you got a target coming out of this pattern. You want to take a little bit before to make sure you lock in those profits. Okay, then we came back down here. We touched my line down here around 140, and then we got the bounce. Let's see what happens here. We are going to draw something up here to make this easier for you guys. Okay, why didn't that work? All right, boom. So this is what I'd be looking at for. We'll go right here to my purple box because we don't want to fall. Guys, we do not want to fall under my purple box. If we fall under that purple box, I'm looking for 118 and maybe 106. So we do not want to fall, get a daily candle close under 127. Okay? Just FYI, I'm just letting you guys know if you're in Matic, that's what I'm looking at. Okay? Now, let's see if we can get a breakout here. If we can break out of here, then yeah, I think we can hit. I think we can get past this 153 for sure, and at least move up. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see here. Let's find a good spot where we can move. How much time do I have left? 13. All right, so I still got time to do dot. Let's see here. Right here. Right here. Where's the most? Let's look at a weekly. Let's look at a weekly. Let's see. We're right here. Right here, 150. Yeah, you can see. Oh, yeah, it did. It hit the weekly. Okay. On that one, see, I'm not seeing much here on the weekly besides breaking out of our 153 area, which could have been 152 probably, huh? No, that's right. We got our resistance right there. Let's look. Trying to get as much. Wait, let's go back. Let's go back. Oh yeah, you can see the 153 why I had it touch here. We have multiple touches. We also, yeah, well, all right. So right here, this would be, mm, oh yeah, right in this area. So we want to get above. I'm going to draw another purple box for you guys. Okay, we want to get up. I think my new microphone's here, guys. This is great. Um, I want to get above this area here, but we want to break out of the triangle. Okay, so that's what we want to do. We want to break out of the triangle and and see what happens if we test this box. So we could do something like this, where we come up and maybe get a retrace and then go. Okay, so that's Matic, but that's what I'm looking for on Matic. It's looking good. There's nothing wrong with it right now. How much time do we have? We still have some time. Let's do dot. Dot, guys. I still stand by what I say. We're gonna look. They front running us a couple times. Look at this. They front running us a couple times where we got to the $34 mark, but I'm looking for 35, guys. I'm still looking for 35. This was a beautiful breakout. I'm looking for 35 to test that, and I still stand by that. So if you guys are still holding it, it's not a big deal. I'll look for 35. Now, is there other opportunities you can probably take elsewhere in the market? Yeah, but this is still looking good. This chart is looking good. This is not a bad setup here. So could it break and go higher? Yeah, it could go higher too, but there is a lot of resistance at this $35 area. So I mean that's it for dot, guys. I mean, there's not much to say about dot. Let's look at the hour chart. Let's see if we see anything that could break us out here. We can draw this up just as as a trend. So that would be your trend. You would not want to fall under. Let's see. Anything else? Anything else? I think that's it. Just as long as we don't break under this trend. We break under this trend, then there's probably gonna see more downside. So keep that in mind, guys. Listen, I think that's it for today. For today's video, I'm actually gonna do another video tonight. After the close, because I'm guys. This could be an awesome moment, or this could be a complete failure with Bitcoin. So let's see what happens, and I'll check tonight on the 8 o'clock close. My video will probably be around 9 when I get it out and posted. So maybe look for my video around 9 o'clock tonight. I'll get that out to you guys, and I think that's it, guys. Listen, much love. If something happens earlier than that, or maybe if I can get it out at 8:30, I'll try to get it out at 8:30. We'll see, because sometimes it takes a little bit to load. But listen, guys, much love to you guys. I appreciate you. And make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel. It's Moondog Trading. Make sure you hit the bell, hit the all, so you guys don't miss any of my videos, because they shadow ban me. I got to tell you this all the time, guys. So you guys got to, because if not, you won't see, I can post a video and you might not see it on your YouTube. Even if you go to my videos, it might not show up. So it's very important to hit the bell, hit the all, so it shows up on your YouTube. That's why I tell you guys to do that. Also, my Twitter, here's my Twitter account, Moondog Trading 1. I'll put a link in the description. You can see how I did multiple updates. This was last night. We did an update when Ethereum was breaking out. Yeah, so that was a good one. But yeah, I'll post a link to my Twitter in the description, and also I'm going to post a link to TradingView as well. We are getting this rejection. But I'll post the link to TradingView. This is all free, guys. Everything I'm doing is free. Okay. Now you get 3 free indicators when you just go with a free account, but you'll get pop-ups and stuff like that. So it's kind of annoying, but it's free. When you go to my link, it'll say money. It'll show like prices and everything. But you can ignore that and go free. If you do decide to pay, you get $30 off if you use my link. Listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, and I'll get a video out to you later. Peace out.